was also ongoing at the time, where the British had their designs on how to take over the power from the Nawabs, and then you had the Nawabs who were trying to hold on to their power. Main story is set in this world of Hira Mandi, where all of these, different dynamics of the time collide.
शराफत हमने छोड़ दी, मोहब्बत ने हमें छोड़ दिया. अब सिर्फ बगावत हमारी जिंदगी को मायने दे सकती है.
The way that Sanjay sir has done it, and he used to always say that revolutionaries are not ordinary people. They risk their lives for their country, for their mission, for their passion, for what they believe in.
All these people that have cast, Manisha, Sonakshi, Aditi Hedri, Richa Chadda, Sanjida Sheikh, Sharmin, Shekhar Suman, Fardeen, all wonderful cast, wonderful people who have loved the idea of playing that part with that much love.
There's that much more layering that can happen because there's that much more time to get into every story and every character and the worlds that are built around those characters.
The story resonates with me. The plight of the courtesans, where they were queens also, where they have personal angst also, they have personal joys also, their personal celebration also, their sadness also, their pathos also. All this has to be felt in the architecture that you make, in the set that you make.
Production design is out of this world. I was transported into this world the moment I walked in. This kind of detailing, whether it's the wall, whether it's the floor, kothas, shops, mosques, I think it's unbelievable.
Turning this set that is so larger than life into my life and making it my own, I think, was the hardest.
It's absolutely a privilege to be able to experience such a set. This is not something that will ever be done again.
ये बहुत कमाल है. The set has to come alive. When the actor walks in, it becomes alive. When the cameraman lights it, it comes alive. Whether it was a costume which you sat in, Harpreet Rimples go down for hours and pulled out everything there for this song, for this scene, for this character. I would want a certain kind of textile we'll find. All that comes alive when the cameraman lights it, when the actor wears it, and the set becomes alive when all these people come into it.
Every time we do a scene, costumes are